Good evening to all my drinking peeps. So we just got done eating pizza. It was great. But I'm thinking nightcap. Why didn't I think of this before? I just posted the recipe for the chocolate martini shots. And I just posted the recipe for the fireball cherries. Are you seeing a marriage made in heaven? Chocolate. Fireball cherry. What? You guys, it's so good. You have to look back at my recipes and try it. This chocolate martini shot recipe, you can use that as a shot. You can make it into a drink. You can do whatever you want with it, but so good. I forgot to say, giddy up, bitches. Happy Friday.